Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to record slow motion in camera in Tecno phone. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, you have to press the camera. So you can turn it like this. You can see here slow motion. So just show you, just for record, I just show you. So I just record it like this. So just play it now. Let's see. See, you can see it, right? You can make it slow motion through camera. So it is done now. You can make it. So it is done now. So please, before you leave this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.